Sony XZ Premium is stylish and modern, with waterproofing to protect it from spills, a pin-sharp screen, and an incredibly fast camera. With clean lines, smooth, scratch-resistant glass, and a rich metal side, this phone looks slick. The design is smart too, with Sony's side-mounted power button concealing a fingerprint scanner for quick, secure unlocking. Sony's famous TVs have inspired the amazing 4K HDR display on the XZ Premium. This means incredibly sharp detail, deep blacks, and vibrant colours. The XZ Premium also packs stereo speakers, so your videos and music sound as good as they'll look on its stunning screen. With the latest version of Google's Android on board, the XZ Premium has tons of free apps and incredible 3D games downloadable from the Google Play Store. There's 64 gigs of built-in storage too, which gives you loads of space for your music, games, and 4K videos. And if you need any more, there's a microSD slot to boost storage by 256GB. Sony's groundbreaking camera means that with an XZ Premium, you can take incredible photos whatever time of day it is. It even records slow motion video at up to 960 frames per second, faster than any other phone around. These smarts are kept alive all day and night thanks to Sony's large battery, and with Quick Charge 3, you can deliver a full day's worth of power after just 20 minutes of charge. For more information and to find the right phone plan for you, visit virginmedia.com.